Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paige if you're new, and if you're not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Today I'm going to do a video of a surprise unboxing from Lauren James. I am super excited, and this is literally a surprise. I didn't just forget what I ordered. This is new to me too. I ordered a mystery box, so I have no idea what is inside here right now. I ordered a Georgia mystery box, size small, so I know that much. But other than that, I have no idea what's in here. I haven't opened it up. I just took off the tape so I can get it open for you guys easily. But like I said, just as surprised as you guys are going to be, I have no idea what's in here, so I thought I would film a little video, and that would be a lot of fun. So I'm just gonna open up this box and see what we have in here. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. There's just, I still don't know what's inside because it's inside of another box, so the surprise keeps going. Alright, just kidding, this isn't going as planned. I'm gonna need to open this box as well. So, be right back. Okay, so I have this box opened and I still have not looked inside yet, so let's see what we have in here. We got some goodies. So the first thing I'm gonna grab out of here is this tank top, I believe. And it has the state of Georgia on the pocket with the Lauren James logo on the inside. Very cute. This will be perfect for summer. It's in this pretty mint green color. And I do have a Georgia shirt in this color, but that's okay. It's very pretty, and this is like huge, so I'm glad I got a small. And it has the little LJ on the back with the pocket, as you can see, with the Georgia logo on it. So very, very cute. Wear this with a pink sports bra and I'm good to go. The next item is, I actually have this shirt. So it's the Lauren James pocket tee. It has the logo right on there, and then in the back is the Georgia logo, or Georgia state line, with the Lauren James logo on it in the color pink and mint green. And this is super, super cute. It says, "Love me some Georgia, Lauren James." The next item we have, I'm hoping it's a long sleeve because I really like long sleeves and I don't have any others. So we shall see. It's another short sleeve, that's okay. It says on the pocket, the same logo again, the Lauren James Lovely State. And on the back, it says love, and it has the state of Georgia on the back. Very, very cute. This one is a navy pink with mint green and pink. Very cute. The next item is this t-shirt. It's the same one as the lime, or the mint green, unfortunately, but it is a blue one this time, and it has the "Love Me Some Georgia" with the state of Georgia on there. The same pocket in the front with the pink. This is light blue, so that's nice. That's a different color at least. I wish they would have switched it up and gave like long sleeves, and I'm glad they gave me a tank top and short sleeves, but and then the next item is shorts, and I actually own these as well already, so that's okay. But these are a size small little seersucker shorts, and they have the Georgia logo on the side, and they have the little pocket in the back. Again, if you saw my clothing haul, I'll link that up above. You would have seen these already, but these are so comfortable. I absolutely love these. So I'm gonna have to find someone to give these to because these are awesome. And then the last thing in the box is just a little sticker. It says love with the state of Georgia, and the same as that navy t-shirt that I already showed you guys, so that's cute. So if you're not familiar, Lauren James is more of a southern company, and they are starting to go up with some northern states like Michigan, where I'm from, and they do have some of that, but it's mostly a southern company. And they make shirts for colleges as well as states, and they have just really cute logos and designs. So this whole box with everything I just showed you was $20 and $8 shipping, so $28 I guess. So for the money, I got a pair of shorts, a sticker, which isn't much, and then 1, 2, 3 short sleeve shirts, as well as a tank top. So if you split that up, it's not a bad price. I don't know if I would do it again just because I have so many of this now. Maybe if they did a University of Georgia box, I would definitely go for that, or maybe a Michigan box. But now I have so much of their Georgia stuff. I think, like in this box, I just shopped on my own before, and I just happened to get some of the same things in the box that I already have. So for that reason, I probably wouldn't shop it again. But if you have never shopped this brand, it's definitely a cute and fun idea to get a mystery box. It's like a monthly subscription box, only you do it once, which is nice. You don't keep having to pay for it and pay for it over and over again. So I like that idea a lot. So for the money, if you have never shopped this brand and you like what you saw, or you like the website, I would definitely try a mystery box then. I know some of the states are still available, but Georgia is sold out, as well as Arkansas the last time I checked. But I will definitely link down below where you can get the mystery boxes if they're still available. But for the most part, it's a pretty decent deal if you don't have this stuff already, or if you're in need of some t-shirts. Basically what you're going to get in the box is a bunch of t-shirts, so if you're not looking for that, don't buy one. But if you want to rep your home state or a state that you love, like I said, I'm from Michigan, but I love Georgia, so I bought the Georgia box in a size small, and for reference, I normally wear a medium. And I'll show you. This is the size small, and this will definitely fit me. So you can either size down or get your normal size, either way. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I hope you liked it as much as I enjoyed filming it. I really had fun opening this box and seeing exactly what Lauren James sent me, so thank you to Lauren James. This video is not sponsored. I just thought it would be fun to show you guys exactly what I got and how much I paid for it. So thank you so much for watching. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below. Give this video a like if you would like to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time. XOXO.